Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
This model answer shows you how to write a clear and friendly email asking for information. If you need more time, you can pause the video now to read the full response. Notice how the email covers all three required points. The writer asks for a good supermarket, requests help finding a new family doctor, and inquires about a park or a community center. The organization is simple and effective. It begins with a friendly greeting. Hi Sarah, which is appropriate for a neighbor. The first sentence clearly states the email's purpose. Each question is then asked in a separate, short paragraph, which makes the email easy to read. The tone is polite and informal. Words like please, thank you, and appreciate show respect. The writer also uses simple linking words like firstly, secondly, and finally to introduce each point clearly. These words are excellent for organizing your ideas. For vocabulary, the email uses two helpful stretch words, convenient and appreciate. These words make your writing sound a little more natural without being too difficult. Here is a tip for your own writing. For informal emails like this, always start with a short, friendly opening line, like, I hope you are having a good week, before stating your main purpose. This creates a warm and positive tone. Let's analyze this sample response for option A if you want more time to review the text. You can pause the video now. First, see how the response clearly states its choice in the first sentence. I am writing to express my support for option A. It then provides two strong reasons to support this choice. The first reason is that it meets the needs of the growing number of young families. The second reason is that it would create a more social and vibrant place. The organization is excellent for a CELPIP response. It has a clear introduction stating the choice, two body paragraphs that each explain a different reason, and a short conclusion. This structure makes the argument easy to follow. The tone is polite and persuasive, which is perfect for a survey for the city. Notice the simple connecting words like firstly, in addition, and therefore. These words guide the reader through the argument. The vocabulary is simple, but it includes two effective B2 level words: essential, meaning very important, and vibrant, which means full of life and energy. Here is a practical tip for your own writing. Always think about who will benefit from your choice. This writer focuses on young families and parents. Explaining how a specific group in the community is helped makes your argument much more convincing. Let's break down this response for option B. Feel free to pause the video if you would like to read the answer again. The writer begins by clearly stating their preference. I believe option B is the better choice. The response then gives two clear reasons. The first is that a garden would promote healthy lifestyles and bring neighbors together. The second is that more benches and paths would make the park more accessible and serene for people like older adults. This shows a full understanding of the task. The structure is very effective. An introduction states the main point, followed by two body paragraphs that develop the supporting reasons. The response ends with a strong concluding sentence that summarizes the argument. The tone is semi-formal and respectful, which is appropriate when responding to a city survey. To connect ideas, the writer uses helpful linking words like firstly and moreover. The language is easy to understand, but the writer also includes two strong vocabulary choices: beneficial, meaning it has a good effect, and serene, which means calm and peaceful. Here's a useful tip. A great way to strengthen your argument is to briefly and politely compare your choice to the other option. Notice how the writer says a garden is more inclusive than a playground.